Townsel here. I ordered this pocket hose with copper in it, hose and nozzle, a long time ago. It took a long time for it to get here. So I'm interested in reviewing this. Stick around, let's see if this thing really works as advertised. The pocket hose comes with instructions. They're very simple. This is the part you connect to your water spigot. It has a swivel on it. It already has a washer inside. And I like that it has this little flex part here. This is the nozzle. And on this end, you have a cutoff valve. So pulling it down is the on position. Sliding it over is the off position. This just screws on here. It also has a washer already inside of it. The package comes with 3 extra washers. On the nozzle, you pull it down if you want it to be on. If you want to cut it off here, you can push it up. Remember, you can also cut it off and on here. So you have 2 ways of cutting it off and on. Has a variety of spray patterns. The little arrow there tells you which one it's currently on. Make sure you hear it click. So surely we can find something in there that's going to suit whatever you need it to do. And then the front of it looks like that. Feels sturdy. It's easy to handle. Ergonomic. Let's put it to work. It's a very long connector here. Let's see if it's going to work without leaking. It's filling up. Looks like a snake, doesn't it? It took a long time for this hose to arrive. It's quite expensive. I'm hoping it holds up for a long time. That cuts it off. And that cuts it on. Controls with a thumb drive. So here's the spray. Here's like a flat beam. Here's just like a, I don't know what you call that, starburst. Here's a widespread one. Like a shower head, I guess. That one is an angled. This is like a long one with a lot of force. It says 3 streams, but I think it's more than 3. That's like a single stream. It goes a long way out. And that's like a fine mist. And I guess there's the shower. So it's very easy to hold, very ergonomic. Very satisfied so far. To cut it off, just slide that up. It's pretty. My only issue so far, it's not that big of a deal, it's so long and so thick that it's a little bit hard to get untangled. I should have untangled it before I hooked it up to the faucet and brought it up here on the porch. I can use it on spray for my ferns. Can use it on the high pressure from my windows. And it's long enough to reach my entire porch. My plants need watering. Seriously, I know. This is a 25-year-old faucet and needs to be replaced. You can see that it's leaking. You can see that it's leaking, but the hose is not. To reduce the pressure on this old faucet, I'm cutting mine off here instead of just relying on cutting it off at the nozzle end. I'm also going to release the water from the hose. And then cut it up so I don't have surprises when I use it next time. Thanks for watching my review of the pocket hose and nozzle. Remember, it's free to give the video a thumbs up. It's free to leave a comment, positive or negative. I can handle either kind. If you have time before you go, watch another video. Consider subscribing to my channel or to a playlist that suits your needs. And until we meet again, let's just help each other solve problems. Bye.